Assalamu alaikum. Happy Independence Day of Pakistan. Respectable principal, worthy teachers, my dear friends and sisters, Happy Independence Day to you. As we are gathered here to celebrate Independence Day of Pakistan. The word Pakistan is combination of two words. Pak means pious and Stan means homeland. This 14th August 2023 reminds us of our two status, the value of independence, the sacrifices of our two leaders and commitments to this pure land of Pakistan. Independence is not a little thing. It is a blessing and a gift of Allah Almighty. Thanks to efforts and struggle of those sincere leaders, Alhamdulillah, we are free today. We have to think about the fact that we have been doing not good enough to protect our independence. Our motherland is surrounded by multiple problems. 14th of August is not a common day. This day is calling us to remind our due responsibilities to this land. This is time to unite and work collectively, selflessly for the greater cause of peace, justice, freedom and equality of our countrymen. Let's unite. Let's work hard and change the destiny of our country. Thank you.